Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's I will solve question answer of this lesson. This lesson name is The Moon, chapter 11 in science. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's start. Now, multiple choice question. First, which of these is not present on the moon? Answer air. Second, a lunar eclipse only occur on a answer full moon night. Third, the moon becomes boiling hot when it gets sunlight because answer is there is no air on the moon. Fourth, during a solar eclipse, answer the moon blocks sunlight falling on the earth. Five, which of these is a natural satellite of the earth? Answer is moon. 6. For which of these is an artificial satellite used? Answer is all of these. Second, put for true and false. A. Most craters on the moon have been made by large rocks falling on the surface of the moon. Answer right. True. B. Moon has all the things necessary for life to survive. Answer false. C. Yuri Gagarin was the first human to land on moon. False. D. No astronauts have gone to the moon after 1972. True. E. Gravity on the moon is 6 times that on the earth. False. F. Shadow is an area that receives no light. True. G. When the shadow of the earth falls on the moon, a solar eclipse occurs. False. H. A lunar eclipse always occurs on a new moonlight. False. I. Television signals are sent around the world using artificial satellite. Right. 3. Name these. A. Large ball-shaped holes on the moon, craters. B. Different shapes of the moon as seen by us from the earth, phases. C. Night when moon is not visible, new moon. D. The first human to land on moon, Neil Armstrong. E. The spacecraft that took the first human to the moon, Apollo 11. F. Shadow of moon falling on the earth, solar eclipse. G. Shadow of the earth covers the moon partially, partial lunar eclipse. H. Satellites used to send telephone and television signals around the world, geostationary orbit. I. Satellite launched by India on 15 July 2011, GSAT 12. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. I mean to say in book. After that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and think and answer in notebook. The moon. 4. Describe the surface of the moon. Answer. The moon's surface is covered with dead volcanoes, impact crater and lava flows. 5. Why do we always see only one face of the moon? Answer. Because the moon rotates on its axis in the same amount of time it takes to orbit Earth, a trait called synchronous rotation. 6. Why does the moon, as seen from the earth, appear to change shape every day? Answer: because of its constant movement in relation to the earth and the sun. 7. Discuss how the low gravity on the moon has been a major reason for life not developing on the moon. Answer: there is no atmosphere on the moon because the gravity on the moon is only 1/6 of that on the earth. The moon cannot pull the air particles with enough force so that escape into outer space without air. Living beings like plants and animals cannot survive. 8. If you were shot on the moon, nobody would be able to hear you. Why? Answer: the moon is a very quiet place. Even if a big rock smashes on the surface of the moon, no sound can be heard. This is because sound travels in the air and there is no air on the moon. 9. In your notebook, draw a diagram to show a total lunar eclipse. Answer. Explanation. Student, look at here and solve the question. Shadow of the earth, moon, sun. Lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the sun, the earth, and the moon are in a straight line. Look at the figure given above and we see that about the position of the sun, the earth, and the moon on a full moon night. Thus, a lunar eclipse always occurs on the full moon night when the earth's shadow covers the moon completely. We have a total lunar eclipse. Look at the figure given above and we see the about the position of the sun, the earth, and the moon on a full moon night. Thus, a lunar eclipse always occurs on a full moon night when the earth's shadow covers moon completely. We have a total lunar eclipse. 10. Mention two ways in which artificial satellites are useful to us. Answer: artificial satellites such as communication and weather satellite are very useful to us. First, communication satellites are used to send telephonic conversation and television programs around the world. Weather satellites are used to forecast the weather and also give us warning of cyclones and storms. Think and answer. First, is it possible for living things to live on the moon? Why? Answer: humans could not live on the moon. Maybe one day in the future. The moon has almost no atmosphere, so there's no air for us to breathe. There is no water on the moon either, and we need to drink water to survive. 2. Can you light a fire on the moon? Why? Answer: moon is dry and barren with no atmosphere. Its surface is covered with several craters and mountains. Lighting fire requires presence of oxygen as moon has no atmosphere nor it has oxygen. Therefore we cannot light a fire on moon. 3. A big rock from space smashed on the moon. It made a loud sound which could be heard on the earth. What is wrong with this statement? Answer: the moon is a very quiet place. Even if a big rock smashes on the surface of the moon, no sound can be heard. This is because the moon does not have air that can transmit the sound. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.